right, hello peeps. We're back at it again. It's bright and early. It's about 3 o'clock in the morning. We're getting loaded up here, getting the boat and everything ready to go. And then we're going to head to Truman Lake this morning, and we're going to do the ABA American Bass Anglers Tournament. I believe it's tournament number 4. So we're gonna go up there and try that out. Boy, it's gonna be a trick. We had a nice warming trend. Water's got up, pretty decent. I think the fish were starting to move up. Now was all this week it's been nothing but rain, and more rain. And it's gonna rain again today. So, and it's been cooler nights, cooler days. So who knows? I don't know. Water may be nothing but mud, maybe. Who knows? I don't know. As you can tell, I got every darn lure known to man, I think, almost on the deck here. I got crankbaits and jerkbait, and I got spinner baits and chatterbaits and shaky heads, and just I got it loaded down and ready to rock and roll. So surely got out of all those, one of them will find a fish to catch and hopefully be a keeper and get it in the boat, and hopefully we'll have a good day. Y'all stay tuned. We're going to head out. Whoop whoop on out of here, and we'll see you at the boat ramp. Follow along, guys. Alright guys, here we are, ABA Bass Tournament on Truman Lake. Here we are, the old first stop. Hadn't fished this lake in a while. Last year actually was my last time I'd been here. I think it was the ABA tournament then. So, we're going to try her out. See what we come up with. Hopefully we'll get us some good bites. Alright, we're already hooked up, guys. Know what we got, but don't know what we got, but we got something. You know how big it is. Come on, it's pretty good size. Oh yeah, come on baby, come on. Oh yeah, that's the way to start the day right there. Holy hell yes, absolutely. Great way to start the day right there, folks. Hell yeah, boy. Alright, that's a good way to start the morning, folks. Good way to start the morning right there. Number 1. $3.12. Number 1, $3.12. All right, probably my 4th or 5th cast in, so that is awesome. Put him on there. Get you some water, big guy. We'll get you going. All right. All right, sweet. One down. Like it. One down, man. There's the other one. almost my lock work. Don't know if he's gonna make it or not, but he might. But he might. Don't think so. I think he's gonna be short. In fact, I know he is. But we'll measure him anyway. Come on, damn gloves. There we go. Alright. Yeah, he's short, I know he is, but boy, he's a fat one. He's a fat dude. Boy, he ain't short by much. A little over 14 incher. Alright, thank you, buddy. Appreciate you. Fish number 2 there. The fuck thing's broke already? Really? Thing's broke already, Berkeley. Not that big, not that big. Dang it. A pin on me, dude. Well, little guy. Little spot. Yep. I don't believe he's gonna cut it though. I don't believe he'll make the 12 inches. But, hey, we got another one. Come on, big keeper, baby. Big keeper, baby. Feels like it. Kinda feels like it. Kinda feels like it. I think it is. Alright, let's see. I don't know. Looks like a keeper, but not real sure here. But We're gonna find out. Let's hope so. I don't think he is, but we will see. Get out of the damn net here, bud. Come on, get out. Get out of the net. There you go. All right, buddy. Be 15 for me, would you? I don't think you are. I think you're short. But we will see. Oh, yeah. Damn. Well, he's the shorty. But fish number 4. Damn.
Exactly what I had. Yeah, exactly.
Just hand it to you. Hold on to my walk if that's alright. Look out there.
Good fish, though.
Yeah, I just had some partners to go with it. That guy he was lonely all day long, I guarantee you. He was a lonely.
Three peanuts. Flip the tail over something. Like I said, I'm buying no real fit. I don't know about this.
Good grief. Pretty plenty lively, huh?
I'm done with the water.
That was lively.
Oh yeah.
Oh, they're both short.
Well, then you can't take weight off the other. I don't have nothing. I'm zero. That will be right.
Be like Shane last year or that year.
We're gonna weigh it.
Yeah, we're gonna weigh it. I got 5 a little bigger than that. All 5 of my. 388. Well, right now you be big bass.
Yeah. All right, guys. Well, we made her back here to the shop. Got the boat all undone here, and everything hooked back up, charging. But boy, that was a doozy of a day. I tell you, the high winds and rain and just, about everything you could think of there. But Truman kicked my tail again. I don't get it. I won that tournament there last year, boy, and ever since then it has kicked my butt. The guys all caught them. I was the only one who didn't. So I did have the 1 3.5 pounder, so I'm happy with that. And that's good points, for the series. But man, I don't know, couldn't find them. Wasn't in fishing the right areas or something. But I guess that's all part of it. Learn, live and learn, I'll move out to other areas next time I'm there. So, but anyway, good tournament overall. Like I say, the weather was a little rough. Boy, it got pretty wild out there on the water at times, but that's okay. I appreciate you guys following along with me here. I'm not sure. I'll find out what we ended up with on, I don't know, 8th maybe or 9th. I'm not sure what we ended up, but had a couple of really good bags. We had 1756 and a 1742, I believe, was the top 2 guys. So that's pretty good weight. So congrats to Phil and Rick. And anyway, we'll see you guys on the next one. If you like what we're doing here, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and hey, we'll see you on the next, guys. Bye.